probably wondering if you need a privacy policy for your website or your app. In reality, in most cases, you do. So here at Logo.co, we're going to tell you the 5 most important things you need to know about your privacy policy. No matter where you live in the United States, if you collect personal information from someone who lives in California, then you need to have a privacy policy. So what exactly is personal information? Well, it's everything from a phone number to an address to a location. It's actually quite broad. So your privacy policy needs to clearly explain to people what information you collect and what you do with it. Now that you have a privacy policy, it's very important that you actually comply with it. If you don't, you could face significant fines. How significant? Well, it depends on the size of your company, but even a small company may face fines from the Federal Trade Commission up to tens of thousands of dollars. It's not only the government that may require you to have a privacy policy, but in many cases, private companies do as well. For example, to submit an app to the Apple App Store, in most cases, you'll need to have a privacy policy. If your website or app is targeted at or collects information from children under the age of 13, then you need to comply with what's called the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA for short. Now, COPPA is actually quite complicated, so you want to ensure that you talk to an attorney to help you make sure that you're in compliance. If you have customers or users outside of the United States, then you may need to comply with country-specific privacy policies. Europe, for example, has particularly strict rules. So as you can see, there's a lot of unknown risks and issues that you may run into. A good lawyer will help you customize your privacy policy for your business. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can check us out at Logo.co or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also see our next video on terms of service by clicking here.